Hey guys, let me show you how to do a classic 1940s half up, half down hairstyle. Come on, let's go. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Beryl Ann. Just call me Ann for short. So the first thing I did was roll my hair up using sponge rollers. And what I did was I rolled my hair using the sponge rollers to create waves. And I'm going to create a separate video on how to do that technique. It's pretty easy, but look at those waves. Ooh. Wow. It's so easy to do. Just look at those waves. Like, I'm amazed at what I did there. Now I'm going to go in with my Dax pomade. So the next step is to create 3 sections in the front part of your hair like this. And I'm using duckbill clips just to hold down the front sections until everything is done. You'll see later on in the video. I'm now using my Denman brush to do my brush out in the back, and it takes me a few minutes to do my brush outs. Yeah, so it'll take a while, but we'll get there. And I just keep brushing until my waves are how I want them to be, like long and fluffy and like a natural look. And then what I do is I use a couple more duckbill clips to hold them in place, to set them in. And I use my curl holding spray to lock in the waves just for a few minutes as I work on the front part of my hair. Now let's start making those victory rows in the front. Woo! Okay, so you're gonna take one section and create another little section in the front like this. In that very front section will be one victory row, and you're gonna have 2 victory rows on the side. Watch like this. You're gonna take 2 fingers, wrap your hair around those 2 fingers. You're gonna create an O, as you can see, and then you're gonna continue rolling that roll down to your head and then pin it down with a few bobby pins. This is how you create a victory roll. And then now I'm just taking out those duckbill clips in the back of my hair, and I'm gonna give it a few more strokes to make sure that it's fluffy enough with my comb and my Denman brush. And like I said, it takes a few minutes for me to do my brush outs. I'm not gonna have you wait that long. So that is all. That's it. If you like what you see, be sure to check out my other vintage hairstyling videos. I have a whole playlist with several vintage hairstyling tutorials. Just check through my YouTube channel. Also, share your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye, guys.